Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel where I share delicious recipes each and every week. So you want to make sure that you subscribe, and you will also want to hit that little notification bell. Then you will know as soon as I upload a new video. And also give me a thumbs up and let me know that you like my videos. So if you have been watching my videos, you will know that in the month of January, I have really been focusing in on some healthy recipes. And so today I'm going to be using these delicious vegetables in a quick and easy, healthy vegetable primavera. And all that is some fresh vegetables with pasta. I'm gonna make a lemon garlic butter sauce. It is so easy, so delicious. So let me show you everything that you will need to make this healthy and delicious meal. So the thing that's really nice about this dish is you can use a large variety of vegetables. And this is what I'm gonna be using today. I've got a yellow bell pepper, some broccoli, asparagus, a red onion, and grape tomatoes. But you could also use squash or zucchini, maybe some sliced carrot or frozen peas. Now the pasta that I'm going to use today is a organic, gluten-free brown rice and quinoa pasta. This is a gluten-free option, but obviously you can use any kind of pasta that you would like. And I'm also going to be making a lemon and garlic butter sauce. And then I couldn't find any fresh basil, so I just went with this basil here. And then also some olive oil and Parmesan cheese. Now, if you were wanting to go vegan, you could just substitute some vegan butter for this butter here. You could use olive oil as well, and then you could just omit the Parmesan cheese. So the first thing that I'm going to do is cut up my vegetables. Now this is the most time-consuming part. And if you are wanting to do this even quicker, you could go ahead and cut up all your vegetables the night before, and then when you get home, just throw everything together, and that makes it go super, super fast. Okay, so I have cut off the ends of this asparagus, and that's just because these are hard and fibrous, and they're not very easy to eat. They're not very pleasant to eat, I should say. And then I'm just going to cut this asparagus into about 1-inch strips, leaving the tops. Then I'm just going to cut my broccoli into bite-sized pieces. Okay, to a large pot of boiling water, I'm going to add a good amount of salt, and I'm using a flaked sea salt that is also flavored with some garlic. And I'm going to add quite a bit because I want to season that water really, really good, so it'll give that pasta a nice seasoning to the pasta. Okay, now I'm just going to add 1 pound of this gluten-free pasta. So to my pot of boiling water that I've added my pasta, I'm going to go ahead and drop in my broccoli and asparagus to cook that in with this pasta. Into a large skillet, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic. Also going to add the zest of a lemon, and this just really boosts that nice fresh lemon flavor. Add the juice of this lemon. I'm going to use this strainer to catch the seeds. Then I'm going to add the sliced onion and sliced pepper. And I'm just going to let all this cook together until the onions and peppers begin to soften. Okay, my pasta and my broccoli and asparagus is done, so now I'm going to drain this. Okay, so now I'm going to sprinkle in some of this fresh basil. And I'm going to add these grape tomatoes. I'm also going to add a little bit of black pepper, a pinch of salt, and I'm just going to let these cook until the tomatoes kind of burst open. So now what I'm going to do is I drained my pasta with my broccoli and my asparagus, and I've placed it in this bowl, and now I'm just going to drizzle some olive oil all over my pasta, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Taking my spoon here and stirring all this together. Now, as you can see, the tomatoes are starting to break down. They're kind of busting open. That's what you want. The onions are getting a nice caramelization. This is going to be so good. Alright, so my tomato, peppers, onions, garlic, all this is done. So now I'm just going to add it to my pasta with my broccoli and asparagus. Then I'm going to toss. Oh, yes. Check this out. Is that not beautiful? And now I'm going to sprinkle in some Parmesan cheese right at the end. I'm also going to sprinkle in just a little bit more of this basil. Okay, so this Pasta Primavera is all done. It is so delicious. One thing that really makes it good and flavorful is that lemon zest that really adds so much flavor, and the fresh basil that you drizzle over. Now, if this looks too dry to you, I actually have a little bit extra of this pasta water that I cooked my pasta in. So I'm actually just going to drizzle that, pour that in, not drizzle, and just kind of toss it again, because it just was looking a little bit dry to me. And this will give it a nice good sauce. But I've got to have some of this. So excited. It is so delicious. Rich in flavor, full of vegetables, healthy and delicious. You really cannot go wrong. Now I'm actually going to sprinkle just a little bit more Parmesan cheese right on top. Oh. That is amazing. It is so good. That lemon, oh, it just gives such a good flavor. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you soon with more healthy recipes.